In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your app into a template in Base44. This is really useful if you've built an app that you want to reuse, share with your team, or even publish for others. Instead of rebuilding the same structure from scratch, you can simply convert it into a template and spin up new versions whenever you need. Let's walk through the process step by step, and I'll explain what each action actually does, so you know why you're clicking, not just where. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 account and that you have the app you want to convert already open or accessible. From anywhere inside the editor, look towards the main navigation and click on Dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub in Base44. It's where you see all your apps, and it's typically where you'll access higher level settings and management options. Clicking Dashboard essentially takes you out of the individual build view, so you can manage the app as a whole. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the app you want to turn into a template, if you're not already on its overview page. From there, find and click on Settings. The Settings area is where you configure everything that affects the app at an overall level, such as metadata, access, and in this case, template options. It's important you do this from the correct app, so double check you're in the right place before continuing. Inside the Settings area, look for an option called App Template and click on it. This is the dedicated section where Base44 handles anything related to templating. You're not changing the live behavior of your app here, you're defining how this app will behave when someone uses it as a starting point in the future. Next, you'll see options that control who can use your template. You'll typically have a choice between making it a public template or keeping it workspace only. If you select public template, your template can be made available beyond just your workspace, depending on how Base44 exposes public templates in your environment. This is great if you're sharing with a wider community or multiple teams. If you select workspace only, the template stays private to your workspace members, which is usually best for internal tools or company-specific setups. Take a moment to think about access and governance before choosing, because this affects who can build from your template. After you've decided on the visibility and confirmed your template settings, go ahead and click on Create. This final action tells Base44 to capture the current state of your app and register it as a reusable template. Once it's created, you'll be able to start new apps from this template instead of building everything from the ground up. And that's it. You've successfully turned your app into a template in Base44, making it easier to standardize, reuse,